Good morning, sir.
பண்ணுங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணுங்க உங்க இதை.
Okay, good morning, Director sir, Registrar Madam.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Our hearty congratulations for your new innings.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, start.
A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Rajashree, Research Scholar, Department of ECE, NIT Puducherry. Take the privilege of welcoming you all for the AICT Training and Learning Academy, ATEL-sponsored 5-day national workshop on advancements in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence from 21st to 25th September 2020. Prayer is simply a two-way conversation between you and God. Let's begin the function with invocation song. Now, I request everyone to stand up for the prayer song. Thank you. Artificial intelligence is an emerging technology which mimics human intelligence and makes things smarter. This workshop introduces the key concepts and programming methods of artificial intelligence and its applications in antenna engineering, which is funded by ATEL Academy under Government of India. Now, I request Dr. R. Bhupatirani Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Associate Dean in Academic, NIT Puducherry, and convener of the workshop to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, one and all. A respected Director, Dr. K. Sangranarayana Sami, sir. Register in charge, Dr. G. Akila, ma'am. HOD, Dr. G. Lakshmi Sutta, ma'am. Chief Guest, Dr. S. Raghavan, sir. My dear fellow faculty members, non-teaching fraternity, scholars and students of NIT Puducherry, participants from various institutes and also one and all present here offline and online. We welcome you all to the 5-day national workshop on advancements in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence, sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy, ATEL. We would like to welcome our Honorable Director, sir, who is the source of inspiration, visionary for the growth of NIT Puducherry, Dr. K. Sangranarayana Sami, sir, for this function. I request Anirudh Kane, sir, to give bouquet to our Honorable Director and welcome him to the function. Welcome, sir. We would like to welcome Professor and Register in Charge, Dr. G. Akila ma'am, for her consistent support and encouragement. I request Surender sir to give bouquet to Register in Charge ma'am and welcome her. We would like to welcome Dr. S. Raghavan sir, visiting faculty, Professor H.A.G. retired, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, for his kind acceptance to be chief guest and inaugural address and also expert talk delivery in session 1 of the workshop. Sir has accepted our kind invitation amidst his busy schedule. On behalf of NIT Puducherry, I welcome Dr. S. Raghavan sir to this function. Welcome, sir.
Thank you all.
We would like to welcome Dean, Associate Deans, heads of various departments, all our faculty members, non-teaching staffs, research scholars, and students to this national workshop. I would like to brief about the workshop. Starting from the upload of workshop information in Atal portal, the program receives overwhelming response from the participants. Within 4 days, the allotted strength of 300 was filled, out of which we have approved 180 participants from the portal after taking their consent one more time. And we have 5 more participants based on their email request, since the portal is not having vacancy for them to register. In total, we have 185 participants. We see unity in diversity in many aspects of the workshop. In this view, I am happy to record the following information. Participants are from around 150 different institutes across India, including IITs, NITs, central universities, deemed universities, government and private engineering colleges. If we look into the cadre of participants, we have 14 professors, 29 associate professors, 108 assistant professors, and also lecturers, research scholars, students, etc. If we look into participant states, it includes 21 plus states and union territories. Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Puducherry, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. We do have perfect blend in our technical sessions of the workshop. It is an amalgamation of antenna and AI. I am happy to mention that the sessions are finalized according to our promise given in the brochure, which was uploaded in Atal portal. We have planned for 15 technical sessions and 2 fitness sessions, out of which 13 sessions will be taken by external experts from IITs, NITs, ISRO, and 4 sessions will be handled by resource persons from NIT Puducherry. The sessions are planned in such a way that it will give perfect guidance for the antenna engineers to apply artificial intelligence in their research and enhance their research outcome. With this brief note about the event, we would like to welcome one and all who have contributed for the organization of this national workshop and also who are all participating in the inaugural function offline and online mode. Once again, we welcome you all to the AICT Training and Learning Academy, Atal sponsored 5-day national workshop on advancements in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence. Welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Light is always compared to God because He is the source of knowledge. When there is the light, it removes the darkness. Now, I request our Honorable Director, Registrar, and other dignitaries to light the lamp as a tribute to the Goddess of Energy.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, one and all. An articulate person truly respects individuals, not only the colleagues and also the students. He always finds path for the advancement of NIT Puducherry. His consistent work for achieving the goals always give a constant support for us, and his motivational speech make us to lead in the right path. He is our Honorable Director, Dr. K. Shankaranarayana Sami sir. He has always been an inspiration to all of us. It is my honor to call upon our beloved Director sir to deliver the presidential address.
A very good morning to all of you present here. Respected Raghavan sir, I'm Quite happy to see you after
Good
a
morning,
very
sir.
long
Good morning,
time.
sir.
Yeah. Mm. And thank you for accepting our invitation, being a chief guest for the inaugural function. And faculty of EC department, registrar, participants, I could see people are still registering for the program in this. A warm welcome to all of you for this Atal program on advances in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence. Yeah, Atal has given some areas like artificial intelligence, blockchain, quantum computing, cyber technology, IoT, robotics, and all those things. And our faculty are engineers enough to club antenna with AI and offer this program. I congratulate them for thinking of antenna engineering with artificial intelligence as a part of this Atal program. Well, we always look for, as technicians, technologists, we always look for possibilities or opportunities whenever there are problems. This pandemic situation is a great opportunity for us to go for this online mode of taking classes, and also this Atal topics, whatever they have mentioned, they are all very, very suitable for online classes. And another thing is, if it is on campus, at the maximum, we will accept only 40 candidates, not more than that, because a lot of logistics are involved in it. And like this 180 participants is not possible if it is in the campus, on-campus program. It is after, because it is online mode, we could have so many participants, number one. Number two, the experts, what we are calling 13 or 14 experts, if it is to be conducted in the campus, it looks like it requires a lot of pre-planning and a lot of time being spent on the part of the experts. At least 2 days they have to spare for this program. And this alleviates all these problems, and they have to spare only 2 to 3 hours of their time for giving their expertise to the participants, to a wide and large number of participants. Another important aspect of this year's Atal program is the official inauguration is being done for all the programs together under the stewardship of our AICT chairman, Professor Sahasra Buddhe. I ask all the participants to be actively participate, understand whatever being delivered in these lectures, and make use of it for your further research and for the further advancement of technology in the area of antennas in using artificial intelligence. I wish you all the best for the for getting newer knowledges in the area of artificial intelligence applications in antenna engineering from the experts who are delivering lectures in this program. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational and inspirational words. It is a great honor to introduce and welcome our chief guest, respected Dr. S. Raghavan, sir, visiting faculty, Professor HAG, retired, National Institute of Technology, Trichy. He has 40 years of teaching and research experience. His interests includes microwave integrated circuits, RF MEMS, biomems, metamaterials, FSS, etc. He is a proud research scholar of Professor Bharati Bhatt and Professor S.K. Kaul, IIT Delhi. He has established state-of-the-art microwave integrated circuit and microwave laboratory at NIT Trichy. He has won many awards, which includes 2 times the Best Teacher Award and conferred with honorary fellowship by various professional bodies. He is a senior member in more than 20 international and national professional societies, including IEEE, BES, IEI, IETE, CSI, TSI, ISTE, ISSS, NPC, ISOI, ILA, IELTS, ASI, etc. He has more than 300 research publications in reputed journals and conferences. He guided 16 PhD scholars. He has served as the investigator for many funded R&D projects. He has filed 3 patents and the profile continues. Now, it is my privilege to invite our chief guest, an eminent academician and researcher, Dr. S. Raghavan, sir, to deliver the inaugural address.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Thank you all. Uh, Valuable participants across the country, then HODs and faculty members of all other departments. Unity in diversity, what Dr. Bhupati Rani has told, you can see in reality in NIT PY. And here is a person who never compromises to implement the discipline, quality, instantaneous quick decision, and also a sports lover. And he is no other than the rule implementing, unassuming director, Dr. Shankaranarayana Swami. People told that it's great that I accepted. It's a privilege to accept to be on the same stage of all big people. Each one, whether they are senior or junior, they have made a mark in their field. So I feel proud to be in this FDP starting time. The second one, there are so many firsts in the NIT PY. I know as in many ways I know it authentically. The first NIT to have the lady registrar, whether it's in charge or not, she has been continuing and she is doing a lot of the work. First non-academic work or academic work she has done is among all the NITs, first NIT in the pandemic situation to conduct and publish exams for both UG and PG in India. So that credit goes to her. Second one, not only that, her connection in this FDP is she amalgamated the computer-aided design and made one person to finish his PhD. He's also staff member of NIT PY, to finish his PhD work on optical fiber communication. That is her contribution. Then there is a hardcore researcher from NTU, Singapore, and she is no other than the present HOD of EC department, Dr. Lakshmi Sudha. Then Dr. Malay Kumar Nath, Dr. Anirudhan Kanhe, Dr. M. Surender, and Dr. Hari Govindan. Already people have established wireless techniques, and the first person who to enter today in this hall is none other than a computer science person, Dr. P. Surender. He only came next to Dr. Bhupati Rani. So that shows it's a very, very rare gesture. In many of the NITs, even the same branch faculty members do not unite. But Dr. Shankaranarayana Swami made it a point that for every function, all the department people join together and work. This is another first. Then many more first. And in this, the MC, nice MC, she told, I got 40 years experience. In this 40 years experience, nowhere in NIT or IIT, an FDP for 6 days on this subject has been conducted. I'm also talking authentically like a director and the coordinator. And it's a proud affair for the NITP. Normally, nobody likes microwaves. They're all aversion. But 185, after rejecting 120 people for this means, the credit goes to the whole organizers. The first FDP to have one convener and 6 coordinators, including one from the computer science, Dr. P. Surender. That is the first one. And this is the only NIT, not even IIT, to have a PhD facility on fitness in line with Prime Minister Dr. Narendra Modi's vision. Dr. Shankarna is a very bold person. Everyone knows, even in NIT Tiruchi. He very boldly introduced PhD facilities to do on fitness, and only institute to have a doctorate on yoga. And I'm also equally anxious to know the first FDP to have 2 sessions on fitness. I'm anxious to know how they are going to connect. In any case, microwave has got direct link with telepathy. So let me see. The whole country is going to see what the 2 slots on fitness is. I'm sure Dr. Babu will do wonders. Many more fitness. Among the recently started NITs, this stands first in NIRF. If only if there are some more PhD candidates, this will be top among all the NITs. And already Dr. Shankaranasamy introduced some new subjects in the PG of the mechanical engineering. And what all I request Dr. Shankar Narayanasamy and others, I know that he encourages all new things. One more thing before that I want to tell, where there is a will, there is a way. So at a time when there was no facility to do any antenna measurements, there's a person who went to the best institute for this microwave engineering, MIC in the world, one of the best engineering institutes, IIT Delhi. There she went and successfully fabricated and tested, and she is no other than rule implementing Dr. Bhupati Rani. And regarding the source persons also, I can say the persons who are delivering, maybe they may be a little younger, but they are the first in Tamil Nadu to do the work in the respective field. For example, Dr. Pandishwari was the first person to conduct Finnish research on metamaterial. Likewise, there's another person from NIT, IIT Jodhpur. He is going to deliver an SIW. His guide, Dr. Mondel's guide, Dr. Kevu is the person who introduced the SIW to the world. So like that, there are so many first in NIT PY, youngest, but they every day, every minute, the academicians and the administrative head, Dr. Shankaranarayanasamy, registrar madam, and all faculty members, they keep implementing many things. I am sure that in the days to come, maybe next year after that, it will top in the rank, one among 10, not in the recently started NITs, among all NITs. That much work every second he is doing. He is able to do not only because he's an academically stalwart, he's a sports lover. So that way, fitness is definitely needed. I'm sure Dr. Babu will excel. And finally, my request is, with this strong group of 6 persons and faculty research people in EC department, I request very soon a very big anechoic chamber for antenna measurement is established in NIT PY. If so, again NIT PY, he will be the first NIT to have that facility. Not even NIT Tiruchi, that facility we don't have. And I am sure that that will happen. One more thing I want to say, we have got expertise in mechanical engineering. He, along with all other faculty members of the department, should start micro electromechanical system also. So when you got this much support from all the departments, establishing MEMS also will not be a difficult. Then go to BioMEMS. Again, this will be the first among 31 NITs to have that facility. So once again, I strongly emphasize to establish a state-of-the-art anechoic chamber in this institute, which will make 300, 400, 500 active participants in the schedules you are going to conduct. I would like to request, humbly request, 1 or 2 sentence reply from the board director over the anechoic chamber.
We have included 7.
Yes. So it is there, so it is in the pipeline.
Oh, extremely happy, extremely happy. So this is what I told, telepathy. I did not know that is included. So microwaves, hypnotism, telepathy, microwaves is behind that. So I'm very happy that it's a proof that
Your decibels have introduced it already.
Oh, very, very, very happy, sir. Very happy, sir. Anyway, through your Paribaksha and other, let the whole country and let the world come to know all the things what you are doing, and let NIRF automatically give you the top rank in the country. Thank you all for calling me and giving me the very rare opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciation is a wonderful thing. Your speech is always a boosting us, sir. Thank you, sir, for your enlightening speech. It is my honor to introduce respected Dr. G. Akila ma'am, Professor and Registrar in Charge, NIT Puducherry. She has more than 30 years of professional experience at various designations in academics. She has more than 100 research publications in various journals and conferences. Now, I request Professor Dr. G. Akila ma'am to deliver the special address.
Respected our beloved director, Professor K. Sankar Narayana Swami, and the chief guest, Dr. S. Raghavan, and the HODs of all the departments, deans, associate deans, and all the faculty members who are in online and offline, a very warm good morning to one and all present. Indeed, it's my pleasure to join here in this program. Thank you for giving me the opportunity, the convener, Dr. Bhupati Rani. When we see the topic advancements in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence, today, nowadays, or the buzzword is artificial intelligence. Everywhere, any topic you take, how to amalgamate this AI in all the applications. So I congratulate once again the convener, Dr. Bhupati Rani, for fixing up this topic and getting the Atal workshop. And I think this year, our NIT Puducherry, we have got two sessions. One is on this advancements in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence. And before telling something, I would like to specially thank Professor Raghavan for pointing out so many first things which we have not listed out. Thank you for that, sir. And thank you for your blessings and greetings to NIT Puducherry to grow under our able guidance of or the leadership of Professor Dr. K. Sankar Narayana Swami. When I look into all the topics which has been given here in this workshop, it gives an opportunity for the people who know antenna engineering and who do not know or just introduced to artificial intelligence, are people who know artificial intelligence, but they know about antenna engineering. So the topic it gives a wide range to all the audience who have participated here to know about both, and they can think about what could be done in research towards this direction. So once again, I congratulate Dr. Bhupati Rani and all the best to all the participants to have wonderful 1 week FBP. There's a 5-day national workshop on this topic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Now, I request Dr. R. Bhupati Rani, ma'am, to felicitate our Honorable Director, Dr. K. Sankara Narayana Swami, sir, with a memento. Sir, thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Dr. G. Lakshmi Sudha, ma'am, to felicitate our registrar, Dr. G. Akila, ma'am, with a memento.
Sir.
We request Dr. S. Raghavan, sir, to accept our memento by post.
Sir.
Okay,
this is
thank
the
you,
memento,
sir.
sir.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
First ever memento I am getting online. I have participated more than 40. This is the first memento I am getting online. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You are always first, NIT PY.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I welcome Dr. G. Lakshmi Sudha, ma'am, Head of the Department, ECE, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A warm good morning to one and all present here.
It is my pleasure to propose a vote of thanks for the AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 5-day national workshop on advancements in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence organized by Department of ECE, National Institute of Technology, Puducherry, Karaikal. We would like to thank our Honorable Director, Professor Dr. K. Shankara Narayanaswamy, who has always been an inspiration to all of us. He aimed at the development at every level of NIT UI, motivated and provided his continuous support to the faculty, staff, and students. His enormous efforts have given rise to the growth of the institute. We also thank Professor and Registrar in Charge, Dr. G. Akila Ma'am, for her constant guidance and administrative support. We wish to extend our hearty thanks to our chief guest, Professor Dr. S. Raghavan, for gracing today's program and delivering the inaugural address. Thank you for your continuous support to the ECE Department, NIT Puducherry, and for your interesting and thought-provoking address. Our sincere thanks to Atal Academy for their support in conducting 5 days online national workshop at NIT Puducherry. Our sincere thanks, we would like to express our sincere thanks to the external experts, Dr. Chinmayi Saha, Associate Professor, Department of Avionics, IAST Thiruvananthapuram, Dr. Amalendu Patnaik, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, IIT Roorkee, Dr. Prakash Rao A, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Warangal, Dr. R. Pandeshwari, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Mr. S. Purushothaman, Scientist F, ISRO, Bangalore, Joint Secretary, Antenna Test and Measurement Society, India, Dr. S.S. Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Dr. Varun P. Gopi, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Dr. Arani Ali Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of EE, IIT Jodhpur, Dr. B. Surendran, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, NIT Puducherry, Dr. S. Babu, Students Activity and Sports Officer, Physical Education, NIT Puducherry, Mr. S. Ramkumar, PhD Scholar, Department of ECE, NIT Puducherry, for readily accepting our invitation and to give lectures on various topics related to antenna, its development using artificial intelligence, along with the fitness sessions. We would like to express our wholesome thanks to the participants from various institutes all across the country for being keen in taking part in this important program. We could not have done it without you. We thank you all for your participation. Our special thanks goes to the staffs and scholars of ECE department for their assistance in arranging this program. I would, on behalf of our Department of ECE, thank HODs of various departments, deans, associate deans, chairmen of various committees, faculty, staff members of NIT Puducherry. Once again, I thank Honorable Director Sir for accepting our invitation and would like to extend my gratitude towards our Registrar Ma'am. Thank you, each and every one of you, for being here with us today. I congratulate Dr. R. Bhupati Rani for her Atal workshop and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.